Denbigh. Yes, people, welcome to Denbigh. Take a walk through here, so. Yes, people, we have come do some vlogging, you know. Just look quiet. I crowd more going on, not going to a crowd, you know. Jelly man, yes, some people. Some more jelly. What's jelly?
1 pound, 4,000. Want something like? We have snow cone, we have bring a friend and a rock and come in. This is a public service announcement. Don't forget to come over by Portland Pavilion and check out our Boston jerk pork and chicken. Yes, you are right. Boston jerk pork and jerk chicken. Seasoned to perfection. Quarter 1,000, half pound 2,000, 1 pound 4,000. Want something like? We have snow cone to cool you down. We have popcorn and cotton candy. Come over and visit Portland Pavilion. Bring a friend and rock and come in. This is a public service announcement. Don't forget to come over by Portland Pavilion and check out our Boston jerk pork and chicken. Yes, you heard right. Boston jerk pork and jerk chicken. Seasoned to perfection. Quarter 1,000, half half pound 2,000, 1 pound 4,000. Want something light? We have snow cone to cool you down. We have popcorn and cotton candy. Come over and visit Portland Pavilion. Bring a friend and rock and come in. This is a public service announcement. Don't forget to come over by Portland Pavilion and check out our Boston jerk pork and chicken. Yes, you heard right. Boston jerk pork and jerk chicken. Seasoned to perfection. Quarter 1,000, half pound 2,000, 1 pound 4,000. Want something light? We have snow cone to cool you down. We have popcorn and cotton candy. Come over and visit Portland Pavilion. Bring a friend and rock and come in. This is a public service announcement. Don't forget to come over by Portland Pavilion and check out our Boston jerk pork and chicken. Yes, you heard right. Boston jerk. Want something light? We have snow cones to cool you down. We have popcorn and cotton candy. Come over and visit Portland Pavilion. Bring a friend and rock and come in.
Natural product.
This is a public service announcement.
Natural product.
Don't forget to come over by Portland Pavilion and check out our Boston
these are
jerk
mine,
pork
but
and
yeah, they are
chicken.
natural products.
Yes, you are right.
We have
Boston
plant
jerk pork
nutrients
and
on
jerk
display,
chicken. Seasoned
so
to
we've been
perfection. Quarter
educating the
1,000,
farmers about our
half pound
products.
2,000,
Plant nutrients
1
there on
pound
that
4,000. Want something light? We have
plant
snow
so far?
cones to cool you down.
Sir?
We have
Do you plant anything?
and cotton candy. Come over
This
and
is our
visit Portland
table.
Pavilion. Bring a friend and rock and come in. This is a public service announcement. Don't forget to come over by Portland Pavilion and check out our Boston jerk pork and chicken. Yes, you heard right. Boston jerk pork and jerk chicken. Seasoned to perfection. Quarter 1,000, half pound 2,000, 1 pound 4,000. Want something light? We have snow cones to cool you down. We have popcorn and cotton candy. Come over and visit Portland Pavilion. Bring a friend and rock and come in. This is a public service announcement. Don't forget to come over by Portland Pavilion and check out our Boston jerk pork and chicken. Yes, you heard right. Boston jerk pork and jerk chicken. Seasoned to perfection. Quarter 1,000, half pound 2,000, 1 pound 4,000. Want something light? We have snow cones to cool you down. We have popcorn and cotton candy. Come over and visit Portland Pavilion. Bring a friend and rock and come in. This is a public service announcement. Don't forget to come over by Portland Pavilion and check out our...
Yes, people, welcome to Denbigh. No, ganja, you say?
Yeah, man, inside there.
No, man, the last time I eat a ganja cake, mine, Miss people talk to me. You don't want no more. You don't want no more.
Ganja rum cream, strawberry, pumpkin spice, we have ganja roots wine, we also have chocolate, we have gummy beer, chocolate, peanut butter, you name it, pre-rolls, everything.
How much?
Soap, candle.
How much of that?
So 2.5 for the rum cream, 15 for the roots wine. We have some more for
Business,
Herbal,
one
sir,
name
man.
and business.
Cannabis 876.
So we can find you on
Yeah man, Instagram, Cannabis 2N3Z, triple Z, put them to bed.
Right, last time I tell her the mind, they think I talk to me in my
Yeah
head.
man, they don't know, so fresh, man. Hey, come back, man. You see that tat here today?
Eh? No, man, a good while, man, a good while, man.
I got a tat here, that you know.
Talk to me, man, and I said, no, man, who tell me say if you come go road?
I gotta tell you that.
If you come go road. You know what I said? You have to get over me, I said, no, man, you must give you a doctor, I go. You know, by you wait. Me see.
I get some prescription drugs and I do nothing.
Yo, me say, I even go, man, even go. I go, even I come back. And I say, what is that? What is? Trust me.
Big up here, bro.
Yes, man, respect. Yes, people, that Denbigh, you know, we are coming at the crowd now and see the nicest of the things. What is that?
Hey, rosemary.
What that good for? What that good for?
Boy, it's good for your body, make you look younger and make you work better.
Where me work better?
Eh,
Where me work better? Where me work better? Me understand what like man
if you
labor.
used to chop down 10 bananas, chop down in a day 15, 20,
Where you say?
100, that's why I make it strong.
Where you say?
Yeah, man. But, hey, listen to me, man.
Go. Where you say? Where it's boiled it?
Rosemary, me have rosemary, me have sauerkraut, me have cinnamon.
No, me have sauerkraut already a yard, so me don't know.
Say now buy something from me. Brown
How much
the
for that?
man. This $200.
Show the lot.
For this.
So to pour me go mix it and make tea, you know, and nothing to go off for me and
Call me.
call you.
Call me.
Tell me your number so we can call you.
Me
Talk.
name is Portland. Me name is Portland.
Yeah, see there, you're there for life, you know, so you will
That's
know.
why they tell us that me name is Portland.
Yeah.
Alright, so
So
buy this from me now, you get more information.
Yeah, me go buy it, you know.
Yeah,
Me go buy it.
You brought me dogs, man.
Because I want to boil some tea and
Yeah,
talk
man.
extra work, you know.
Extra
Come on,
work.
get paid more, you know.
Yeah, man.
We need to
Come
get
on,
paid
man.
more. You see what
Chop
I
down my
said?
tongue. Chop down my tongue.
I'm going to get dogs, man.
Alright, Papa.
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm going to get dogs,
So the
man.
vibes, yeah, we're independent, we're free.
Yes, that's true, that's
Yeah,
true,
we're
that's true.
free, man.
Especially tell the way you sell, man. Tell the people them what you sell.
Oh, alright, me I sell rosemary, me I sell Sink Bible, me I sell soursop, me I
Yeah.
sell all the nice mint, and me I sell aloe vera, the raw one, nothing.
Raw
Big
one,
and
see the
nice,
people?
come from the farm, see there?
See it, uh,
See there? Them something I may come from Portland, you know.
see it.
Yeah. Whole heap of something in a box, yeah. Whole heap of something. Me have rosemary, me have cinnamon, me have beef thyme, you know the one that we put in a soup? Yeah, me have that too. Bad like yours.
Yeah, man, I got...
$300 man. Me now hold the
Yeah,
price.
$100.
Independent day today.
Hold on, people. Supporting the people.
Yeah, so yeah man, support man. Can some people come too?
Yeah, man, we support, man.
Hey! Respect Papa.
See it,
Enough
we come from
thanks.
away from Portmore, you know. So, you see this?
Yeah.
You see this? What's it say? Extra work.
Extra work.
Extra work.
Seems like go extra
So,
work.
anybody employ you,
Yeah.
have a more employer again.
Alright, tell us if you come to Portland.
Alright, Portland.
Alright, Papa.
Alright, take care of
Nice.
that.
Respect
Yeah.
to you, yeah?
Alright.
Alright.
Oh, they want to see you know.
Like every time we scream, that's all.
Oh, come on, wait. Because you want like a screen, man. There's people there in the Denbigh. See what go on, the people them are sell. This music na my from the one and you know sing, you know. There's people, yeah, right so. Yes, yes. Yes, yes, that's that. Over there, so.
Just take your time. Yeah, come on. Yeah, on the left neighbor there. Just grab your combo.
What are the markets?
Check it out.
people. God damn it. Don't drink one a while ago. We just drink one a while ago. Yeah. Yeah. Let me come back. Yes, people, that the Denbigh or so. Chicken, jerk chicken everywhere. Everywhere, jerk chicken and everything there, so.
They're giving us good reviews that this line actually does work. The person will create the line, then study it. Another somebody will just get up and try something. The line is proven to work. So today at Denbigh, if you purchase any of the soaps at the cost of $1,200, except the kojic, which is $15, you'll get a free sample. You also will be in the running to get one of our gifts. Look at the soaps. These are very good. They say the buy them thick, you'll get quality and value for your money. Quality and quantity for your money when you buy self-care.
Self-care.
Yes, self-care. Today at the Denbigh showcase, we are at the St. Elizabeth Pavilion. So persons can come on down and look for self-care. We have surprises at our tent. We have a machine that does the scanning of the skin. It tells you what type of skin you have. And it tells you which type of product best to use on the skin. And it does so much more. Our team is very friendly and nice. And they will assist you with whatever issue you have with your skin or hair. You're welcome. Thank you. So self-care with Tiffany. Self-care.
man. No. Oh, me drink something already.
Hi guys, follow me on TikTok at _Hania.
Yeah, tell them where. Tell them. Talk to them.
Follow me on TikTok at _Hania, and I'm the best local maker here. Yeah, very cutesy, very demure.
So where company name?
Alright, so this is M&R Tasty Streets,
Yes.
and here we do snow cone, cotton candy, and a variety of other sweets and treats and pastries. So you can come. Our business, our location is not fully disclosed as yet due to, ongoing business registration. But as soon as we do, we will advertise that M&R Tastes and Treats on TikTok. You can follow us on TikTok and on Instagram, Facebook, all worldwide social media platforms. So yeah, but in the meantime, have a snow cone.
Okay, I'm going to give you an advertisement. I make me virgin.
Thank you.
My virgin go put up on in social media platform. Okay?
Thank you.
Your showcases.
And you can also book us for events as well. We
Okay.
have tent and we provide different rides, bouncer boats and stuff like that. We come with our machines. So yeah.
That's it?
And we're available for machine rental as well. For now, you can contact us at 876-203-5328 or 876-442-6175.
Okay. See these people?
And God is love. And love is God. Remember
Yes.
that also.
Yes.
One love. M&R all the way. Nobody beats us at what we do. See, we manufacture
Macarena with our snow cone and popcorn.
Not number two. We don't play number two. We are number one. Number one. We make the best cotton candy here. And so you don't need to have no fear. Because we are the best out there.
Pressure machine. So I have a crafty way of making my snow cones because I like to please all my customers. So I base my cup with the syrup and then I go in with some ice. And then I do another layer of color. There you have it. Mia's rainbow. You're welcome.
Want to take a picture?
No, with him, no, put it on for that. No, man, put it on for that. Make sure hold it. Make sure hold it.
Want to picture yourself? Want to picture yourself? Huh? Yeah, that's it. Why not?
If you want.
You can send me the pictures later. Huh? Yeah, how do you know that? No, Jamaica, no, that's
And then I'll tell you why.
somebody else, man, look on.
I'll have to go back. Let's relax. No matter how you spin him, he knows somebody. You see it? You see it?
Activity. One step back for the gun, you see me?
That's because you're a man now, you get one of them posts.
Magic. Yo.
Nice though.
Yo, it's up.
Snowball.
Yo, snowball active. How much do you have to have, like, have to own a brand?
What do you have to own?
You have to own it. No, let's go here.
The price is right. You can get them from 2 to 3. Depends. How much you got? How much you have to pay for that? For this? Yeah. Adults for 500, kids for 300. What is it?
Right. The people them.
What buy water? What buy juice? Water and juice. Cheap.
Check
Water and juice. Water and juice. Water and juice. Go buy water. Go buy juice. Water and juice. Oh my dear, how are you? Water and juice. Water and juice. Just until next year.
Sorry.
Water and juice.
Just some water. That's what that is. Yeah, tell me how much you give it. How are you?
That's it, people. Thank you.
Just some water. Just some water. Just some water. I rush them Monday, yeah? I have time to go in that crowd or the monks in bodyguard here. Yeah. You can talk to Dr. Tufton anytime. I'll Eros here, me see Dr. Tufton. So we can talk to him anytime. I always come on a ride over when he goes. Yes, some water.
Yeah, man.
So President, on the side there. Even lighting.
So,
Sorry, the man them just step back the corner, so everybody carry the shot.
So you are the champion, lady.
Tell us about the animal. Minister, you go back to Minister. This is all you go back to came in another program and won today. But as a champion.
What are some of the characteristics that determine why this should is a championship of order?
No, make it stay. Put her in.
Why you want to put her?
Put her beside the
She have anything to do with the
youth,
So
youngest.
essentially, they're judging the specimen
Yo, me come here my side. Video boss, KS boss, come for my shot.
Me try make everybody step back. So everybody just step back, please. So everybody can get a good shot, please.
So genetics don't just automatically produce a specimen. That is good. So you're saying that there is some environmental and nurturing that makes the specimen good for them. So then it's not just genetics, it's about what you have done. So you really are the champ.
Yeah, Minister.
Yes, people, the rain have come.
Them, wanna come this side now?
Him just win 2 grand, ask him, see that. He just changed one back. That's a 200 grand out there, yeah? But I don't have nobody. Any money you throw upon me, don't leave it. You take up the ball and the money I go throw you. 1 ball, you take up every money.
Where channel name?
$50. Take up the ball and go.
Jamaica what?
Chada.
Jordan?
Chada.
Jordan?
Yeah.
Yeah, 800 a few. Don't know that square.
See that from me, yeah.
Oh, where's your name?
Father and son
Alright,
lifestyle.
come behind the line. That's the one I think. Oh, no move me see line. Can I go and
see
see?
about him and
That's
have
why I'm
effortless travel.
Yeah, I there in front of people in my while ago. I hear that. Two man. Then you take a look. Man, you can see a thousand and I'm really back here. Pass the man. Oh, you have your feet. Yeah, you're back on
channel enough.
$100. Anything we take up a few, man. $100, take up it. So you know, say $700 I'm here for you. See? Oh, $700 I'm here for you, you know.
Ever bless. Ever bless. You watch a YouTube channel. Ever bless.
500 me for you. Go behind the line. Nobody go fast for me because you look at dangerous, you know. No, I know the line that. See the line I posted. So you watch that. Yeah. Nobody been out for your line and come out, man. Stand behind the post. Four then.
Yeah, look some go here, sir.
Umbrella. Hey.
God.
Eh?
I got you send that go show up. Hey, God, not a for real today.
Yes, people, the rain come down. Every piece of rain come down. So visa for the videoing. Yes, people, the rain, heavy piece of rain come down.
Shaggy, am I on that? I can't understand how me beg the rain to stop for you. She's smart, eh? You know, so you know about that stuff if I want to wipe your blood and move again. So. 2 quarters.
Quarter for more?
This is a public service announcement. Don't forget to come over by Herbal Pavilion and check out our Boston jerk pork and chicken. Yes, you heard right. Boston jerk pork and chicken. Season of perfection. Quarter 1,000. Asphalt 2,000. 1 pound 4,000. Want something like? We have snow cone to cool you down. We have popcorn and cotton candy. Come over and visit Portland Pavilion.